My name is Tufan Tarcan. I'm functional urologist from Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm also acting as the General Secretary of the ICS. And thanks for the opportunity to talk about our workshop, which is going to be held in the next ICS Annual Meeting in Maastricht. First of all, I would like to invite everybody to this meeting of functional urology, I say, where the heart of the functional urology is beating. In this workshop, which is entitled as the Harnessing Artificial Intelligence in Urodynamics, we will be together with experts such as Eskinder Solomon, Andrew Gummy, and Wouter van Dart. And we will be talking about the possible role of AI in functional urology, but especially in urodynamics. This is, an inevitable process that we are facing with artificial intelligence. It has started to affect the functional urology. The question is, how can we benefit from artificial intelligence, especially when we try to optimize our urodynamic studies? Do we need to optimize our urodynamic studies? Yes, we do, because still the majority of the urodynamic studies performed all over the world do not match the ICS standards. So we have a long way still to go in terms of education. And can AI help us with that? We will discuss all this. Another point is, can AI help us in our decision making and also interpretation of the urodynamic charts? Especially this may be possible if we can create a big data of the urodynamic studies, and AI can help us in the analysis of this data. This has been so far not possible because single studies cannot give the answer of the big data, and just personally it is not a one man's job to analyze this big data. Therefore, we certainly need the help from the AI if we would like to analyze the big data. So far in the literature, we have nice findings about the help of or utilization of AI in the interpretation of urodynamic studies, such as in uroflowmetry curves, for example. AI diagnoses the pattern of the uroflowmetry curves precisely. Plus, in the diagnosis of detusor underactivity, AI has again a diagnostic role, which has been shown again in the literature. In the analysis of bladder outflow obstruction, in the analysis of detusor underactivity, and also in recognizing the errors and the artifacts in the urodynamic studies, AI may play a very important role. So I would like to invite our members to join our basic workshop of the Urodynamics Committee in Maastricht, and I hope we will have a good opportunity to discuss the possible future role of AI in urodynamics. When I meet my younger colleagues, they ask me, why should we join the ICS meeting? What the ICS meeting can bring us? So my answer is, ICS annual meetings are the unique platforms for the discussions in a multidisciplinary manner, because we will have in the ICS meetings not only urologists, we will have urogynecologists, we will have physiotherapists, basic scientists, neurologists, and ICS provides the best platform so far available to discuss different aspects of functional urology through a multidisciplinary vision. So ICS annual meetings are the best opportunities for anyone who is dealing with the treatment of lower urinary tract dysfunction in a multidisciplinary manner.